Una sa lahat, Merry Christmas sa inyo lahat and Happy New Year. Ano ba? Well, masasabi ko lang,
thank you so much for organizing this whole event. We've never seen anything like this before. The fan support is unbelievable. You guys are the best, and I just really want to truly thank you from the bottom of my heart for continuing to support us. And the best gift of all is to be a part of this team. So thank you guys, and Merry Christmas.
Hey guys. I just want to say thank y'all for coming out. I'm very thankful. We're very thankful you guys are here, and I just want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas.
Nagpapasalamat ako na nandito kayong lahat. And I want to say Merry Christmas to everyone. And I think we should do this every year. So sana at least 7-1 palagi, di ba? Pag pangit yung record, mga 3 lang kami po. And then, pero, alam ko, nandito kayo palagi. Miski manalo, matalo. Thank you so much.
First of all, I just want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas. And me and Mark have been here since 2000, and some of you guys, been supporting us ever since. Yeah, high five. And I just want to tell you guys that we really appreciate you. Thank you for the effort that you put here today, and man, we love y'all, man. All right, we love you. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Thank you.
Magpasalamat kasi lahat ng mga tweets nyo, lahat ng mga kind words nyo, nakatanggap ko lahat. Hindi na ako makapag-reply, pero ito na yung chance ko para makapagpa-thank you sa inyo lahat. Salamat po sa support nyo. Merry Christmas.
Sana naman, si Barakael naman. Sinong gusto humalik kay Barakael?
Gusto niyo kumis? Sige. Mas ka lips to lips, ha?
Joke mag-isa. Sino to? Sino to? Si Red? Si Red? Anak ni ganito. Ayan sasayaw pa, teka lang. We are very, 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 very thankful that we have the best fans in the world. And don't forget to support Bukap Watches, ha? Thank you very much. Guys, maraming salamat. Merry Christmas po. Thank you.
Teka lang, meron kaming special yung music. Dahil magsasayaw si Nutella. Music. Yung hip-hop. Yan.
Ayaw sumayaw pero kakanta.
It is crazy. It's a bird. You're my Mona Lisa. You're my rainbow sky. You're my only place to realize you'll always be beautiful. Atin ang laban! Thank you!
Yung pinsan ko na lang si Raymond.
Merry Christmas!
Kakakanta na lang din ako para pero Esperano.
Kapag ang puso hindi sanay mag-isa, puro lungkot na lang nadarama. Kapag walang kibot, walang ligaya, kapag wala ka, ang buhay ko'y walang sigla. Iyong pangako, ako'y laging mamahalin. Tandang-tanda ko pa ang ating sumpa. Hanggang wakas.
Neil, do you guys agree with this?